All right, so this is a follow-up video of my gas mileage on my 2023 F250 with a 7.3 Godzilla with the 3.73 gears in it. So I am now home right here. You can see I'm at home now. I started this from the on-ramp coming home from work to now in my driveway. This is the fuel economy. I had reset this a couple of days back. I don't remember exactly when. But that's the average, including highway and city. This is the total miles per gallon for today. So it's about 30 some odd miles to work, 30 some odd miles to home. The rest of that is some errands that I ran. So it's 3 hours total drive time, including the errands I ran, and it's averaging 14.7 miles per gallon. And again, that includes highway and city driving. And then I reset trip 2 just to record when I got on the on-ramp coming home from work until I just now backed into my driveway. So you just saw it was at 17.2. Yes, that's only a 33-mile drive, but I got around 17 on a 33-mile drive to work. Speeds are averaging anywhere from 65 to 70 miles per hour, and my RPMs on my Banks iData gauge was showing that I was running about 1,600 to 1,700 RPM. So it is achievable. I'm not saying that this is an everyday occurrence on how you're going to drive your vehicle. But again, I didn't feather the gas. I didn't stomp the gas either. So yeah, if you hit the gas, you've got rough terrain or high hills on your terrain, traveling back and forth. If you're going to be loaded down, yes, you're going to have definitely different readings than I have here. Again, this isn't a long-term review. That's not what I was trying to do here. Mine was just to say, hey, let me test it on-ramp going to work, on-ramp coming home from work, plus a round trip, and that's what trip 1 there is. Trip 1, you can see it now it says 14.6 for 3 hours of total drive time with a 97-mile round trip. Like I said, that's about 60 to 70 miles to and from home on the highway, and then the rest of that is mileage in the city running a couple errands while I was at work. So just to give you an idea that there are decent gas mileage numbers, you know, that the 7.3 Godzilla motor on the 23 F250s and up, they can give you some decent gas mileage. And that's been my experience. It may not be the same for everybody else, but I am definitely pleased. Again, I did not purchase this vehicle for gas mileage, but it seems to be one of the big questions everybody asks when they're thinking about the 7.3 engine. So that's the only reason I'm reporting on my experience on my truck. Now I've had it a little over a year, and you can see down there on the right, I've got over 16,000 miles on this truck now. No issues for me. I'm pleased with that mileage, even though I don't track the mileage, but just reporting on that for others that are interested to see what I'm getting. Like I said, there's that average with city and highway, and then that round trip today was actually, I think it was 14.7 or so when I first started the video, and I'm idling in the driveway now. And then that was up a little bit past 17, I believe, or right at 17 for just the trip home. So very similar results back and forth to work for me. And that's why, I think it's good to let others know what you see. Again, this isn't something you experience all the time, just reporting on my back and forth to work, because I'm not really going to track this, just to tell people what the 7.3 is capable to do if you really want to try to get it to do that. Hopefully this information was useful or helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe and share, and that's to the point.